Hi, Scott doing at MarineMax in Lewisville, Texas. And we're going to do a brief walkthrough here of the new Sea Ray 270 SDX. So, 2/3 width rear-facing bench seating back here on the back. It's done really well. They've got this kickstand here that allows you to prop up the seat up underneath your knee, or you can put it down flat like it is over there on the other side. Makes it a lot more comfortable. Great place to sit while kids are swimming around the back of the boat. This one does have the flip-down swim platform. One of the most popular options here in the metro area, at least. Storage on your walkthrough coming into the boat. And then as you get into the boat, a lot of seating for a 27-foot boat. You've got these two backrests that can flip towards the front of the boat to make a big conversation area back here on the back. Just works really, really well. Also, one of the most popular options, cockpit cool box. So you can just turn that on, throw your drinks down there, throw some ice on top of it. It's going to keep them nice and cold and keep your ice substantially longer for you. Coming up here to the dash, digital touchscreen dash. All of your switching up here, Fusion stereo. This does have the upgraded stereo, so it is going to have subwoofers, amplifiers. Also has a pair of Fusion tower cans. Head on board, it is vacuum flush, so a lot easier to use than your pump out style. Nice big bow seating area. This one does also have the filler cushion that will fill in this and make this one big sit pit for you. Also fully finished out fiberglass storage underneath both sides, so you can also use those as additional cooler space if you like, but it's just nice having that fiberglass, a little bit easier to keep clean. And then windlass as well. So really, really nice boat, laid out really well and optioned really well for here in the Metroplex. So if you have any questions on this or anything else you see online, pick up the phone and give us a call. We'd love to talk to you.